Hi guys, and welcome to Creating with Mimi. Today's video is all about the office space, studio space, creating that space for yourself. I'm going to go behind the scenes of, yes, look at this hideous room before, and we're going to talk about how it was created into the perfect studio and oasis so that I can create wonderful content for you guys. This mirror is pretty much the jumping point for me. It was something that was in the entryway downstairs. I took it from downstairs, repainted it with this gold. I believe I have a video that's out to show you guys how I did that, and I absolutely love the results. So I wanted to have a large scale mirror in this space, and I hung it on the right side of the room previously. Added wainscoting to this space. There is a video about how to do this wainscoting. This is such an inexpensive, cheap way of adding wainscoting texture to a space without spending a lot of money. Yes, you have to do the work yourself, but you can do it. If I did it, and this is my first time handling any of these type of tools, the end result was absolutely amazing. I'm starting this process out with emptying out the space as I previously used it. Obviously, I've changed the carpet and I had a few things in there to make videos, but I'm removing all of that so I can start with a clean slate. I use what's called a Z-bar to hang most of my large artwork, even on jobs or projects. This bar is super simple to use, and it takes a lot of weight. The actual size is probably about 18-20 inches here. You can cut the bar down to different sizes that you need. This 18-inch bar by 1 inch, it will hold this large scale mirror. Now I'm simply bringing in some items from other areas of the house. I'm going to use these bases, and they're super large and heavy. That's why you see me utilizing a piano roller in order to carry it. Had them for about 15 or 20 years. They're gorgeous pieces. I want to continue to utilize them somewhere in my decor, and I often suggest you guys can do the same thing. This clothing rack, I'll link it below. It's from Amazon, and then I just painted it gold because I didn't like the original color that it came in. Now, since I moved everything out, I'm just going to start cleaning up a little bit, sprucing up the area. These are SHERPA chairs that I will link as well. Love the chair. Absolutely love the softness of the fabric. It's a faux. It's not the real deal, because the real chair would probably be about $2,000 a chair. These were quite reasonable, and they just add a punch to the space. They're very comfortable to sit in. So I'm going to put them together, and the only thing that I needed to do was add the gold legs. When adding wall art, or the wall art that I'm adding to this space, I'm hanging it a little bit lower than typically, only because when I'm filming, I do want you to see the wall art if I'm in a sitting position. So it's a little bit lower, but I think it's going to be perfect. Stay tuned and check out the rest of the video. I will be announcing the winners of the giveaway. There are 2 images, but I'm going to give one away to a subscriber. The responses were overwhelmingly, it was so difficult for me to choose. I did need to choose one winner for the print, and I'm going to give away 4 additional gift cards to 4 other people. 5 of you will win something, but only 1 of you will win the print.
Yeah, it's been a long night, and maybe I should go home. But it's been such a long time since I felt this good on my own. On my own, 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 on my own. Baby,
Okay guys, I'm not going to go into a lot of detail because you've seen me do floral arrangements before, but I used the floral tape and I placed it over the top just in small squares, and what that does is it allows me to now go ahead and place this in here without it being floppy and falling all over the place. So it gives me structure. It will allow me the opportunity to put this floral arrangement together much faster, and it's easier to do. So what I've already done is for the first two stems, I've given it the approximate height that I'm looking for. This is the vase here. I will make the next two stem a little bit longer than the previous two that I've already placed. See how much that's just a little bit taller, and it gives me yet even more height. The person that's going to win the print is Chantel Simeon, and the following 4 individuals will receive a gift card: Lola Salesmore, Cheryl Williams, Gwendolyn Keaton, and Harissa Jones. Thank you guys so much for the last year. I really, truly appreciate all of the support and all of the love. Until next time, make every day a great day.
I'll always remember the points in my mind, though it's been forever, we will never unwind. Don't know how we turned out to be such a mess, 'cause although I'm long gone, I don't care for you less. I miss you and it frightens me, and this must be the fight that I regret most, the heavy drug you like to be. You had me like a overdose. You had me like a overdose. You
If you like this video, guys, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.